Ali here from Masterpiece Renovation. Today we're going to be doing an exterior waterproofing project. We had water penetrating into our client's basement, and what we've done now is started digging, and we're going to be going right down to the foundation layer. Once we get there, we're going to be installing a waterproofing membrane and weeping tile to have proper drainage so that no more water will be going into their basement. Our waterproofing membrane is laid out over there. Once we remove about 2 feet from this corner so we can wrap around the perimeter of the property, we're going to be going about 28 feet this way, approximately 8 feet down. We've got our locates done with Ontario 1. We'll keep you posted on the progress as we continue forward. Currently it's end of February. We're in Canada. We're dealing with temperatures around -10. The flagstone we had to remove. It's kind of brittle right now. Most of it would have to be replaced. For the time being, we're putting all the dirt in the backyard, and once we're done the waterproofing section, we're gonna backfill everything in. Snowy's here just supervising. Once the dirt is back in, we're gonna have to wait about 7 weeks before we put our limestone screening and replace the interlock and flagstone so that it does not sink and it's done properly. The crack you can see is starting from here and it goes down. It's been leaking water for quite some time, and it wasn't until recently where the water actually started to show itself behind where the fridge was in this section. We've removed all the insulation and drywall so we can clearly see what's going on. We've actually neutralized the mold with these 2 different products. In the meantime, we're waiting for the exterior waterproofing to be properly finished before putting in new insulation and drywall, because we don't want any more moisture and humidity to build up in this section until we're fully done from the outside.
There they are. One big hole there. It's about 8 feet deep and about 3 foot wide. So as you can see, the guys did a great job applying the AquaBlock liquid membrane, and they've removed the old existing weeping tile and installed this connector piece. You can't see it, it's under the gravel there. It's an orange cap. We'll pop it up on the screen so you guys can see what that looks like. The new weeping tile is in now, connected to the orange connector cap, and it's level with the concrete footing. The liquid membrane that was applied a couple days back is applied to a clean, dry substrate, and then they applied their liquid membrane AquaBlock using a roller and a brush. And that takes about 12 hours for a full cure. They've put in about 5 bags of gravel here. This is the fastening hardware. Before beginning, drill a hole into your specialty washer and then insert the drop-in sleeve anchor. Essentially what they've done is they've completed this section. As you can see, they got the rubberized membrane up, the dimpled plastic waterproofing membrane. They used special washers here, as you can tell, with a sleeve anchor nail, and they hammered it in after they pre-drilled the hole. And then they put up this board here so the dirt doesn't get behind the lip of our cut section, and they'll overlap it once they finish digging out this area here, and they're gonna backfill it as they go. And then all the dirt in the backyard will go here once they're done.
All right, so here's the finished product. We've leveled the entire area with proper limestone screening, and then we've installed the patio slabs. We even went one step further and did purging and acrylic top coat with the River Rock stone. It looks beautiful. As you can see, we added more River Rock to give it a full look. And here we've installed a flexible downspout so that the water can travel away. It's been properly sloped, so we'll have very nice water clearing here.